everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am here with my second project share for Beebeecraft, and what I will do is I will leave their link down below of everything that I used. And what I'm going to be using is I'm using their glitter paper that I got from them. Love this glitter paper, and it's actually cardstock. I mean, it's thick glitter paper. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this set of dies that I got. When you order these dies, you actually get 5 different sets of nesting dies, which is pretty awesome. So this is the set that I'm going to use. And what I did was I was thinking, okay, what can I do with these to do something different? What can I do? And I got a bunch of these chapsticks to make some little Christmas gifts with the peppermint. And I thought, okay, what can I do? What can I do? Can I do a chapstick holder? And I thought, maybe I can make a tag that you can hang like on a gift or on a bag or something. And so what I did was I used the largest tag for the base. And then I was playing around with the sizes to see, okay, which size can I put the chapstick on? And so I used the largest and then these two right here. And this is what I come up with. And I love the way it turned out. I love it, love it, love it. And you can write your information on the back. And this is the glitter cardstock. And you can listen. That's how thick it is. And it cut the die out no problem. And so this is what I created. And I also used the glass cabochons that look like enamel dots. And I used those also. So what I thought I would do, I thought I would make one of these with you all just in case you would like to do one. And really, you could use anything that you had, any paper, any holiday or anything. But I'm going to show you how I created this. Now, do not forget that YouTube or Beebeecraft still has their YouTube program that if you have 100 subscribers or more, that you can email them, and I will leave their link down below. You can email them, and they'll get back to you on their YouTube program where you might be able to use some of their products and showcase some of their products. So let me show you how to create this. Super simple, super easy. So the first thing I did was cut the base out, which is this right here. And I just did it in white cardstock this time. I have this piece right here. And how I figured out what size to do this one for was I just got my chapstick here. And I was like, okay, well, that one fit perfectly and hold it. And I went, ooh, that's what's so good with nesting dies. They do this. They will just basically work together so easy. I've got where I've used eyelash trim all morning. I've got it everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hot glue gun just for the sake of it. So I'm going to go ahead and hot glue this piece down so it will not move. Right, I'm going to do it right in the middle. And you can just kind of do it however you want it. All right. And so I have this piece here. And I kind of done, I guess you would call formed it around so I'll know kind of where to glue it down. So, and you can see when I pull it up, it's kind of got that curve. And I already put that in there with the chapstick, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to glue this first one down here, right on the edge. And hot glue, you could use regular glue, but hot glue to me, it's just going to stick real, better. And then I'm going to put that, and then here I said it sticks better, and then I didn't wait for it to dry. All right, let's try this again. I better wait for it to dry. All right. And then we'll put that one there, because I want to make sure that my chapstick fits in there okay. All right, so I'm going to put that in here, and then I'm going to glue the sides here, and then I'm going to put that down. Be careful, do not burn yourselves like I always do. You know how I do. All right, so see? Easy in, easy out. And there's your little chapstick holder. So now you can decorate it any way you want. And I had cut out Holiday Cheer in a contrasting color. And I may put this one up here this time. Yeah, let's put that one, or let's see, where do we want to put it? Because I put that one there. Let's see. I kind of like it right here in the corner. It's just kind of, all right, we're just going to put it the same in the corner. And you can just use glue to glue it down. Excuse me. So I'm going to use my Bearly Art glue. And just put glue, glue, glue. Glue, glue, glue. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. My phone always rings. I am home today, and I'm pre-recording this. So let me get this. Never fails, does it, guys? Never fails. All right. So we're going to glue this down. And you want to have a contrasting color because you want the words to show up. So see, with the red, it shows up and you can read Holiday Cheer. There we go. So I am going to let that dry. And what I want to do is I want to put a hole here because I want it to be a tag. And I'm going to use my crocodile that I have. I'm going to use my small one. And I like to use my eyelets. That way it just makes the hole stronger. And I'm going to, I think I'll do I think it's the 3/8 maybe. I think. So we'll put a hole there. Ta-da. Make sure all this is sticking down. Then you will put your eyelet in. You don't have to, but I just like to because it just enforces the hole. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is going to put some eyelash trim, and I messed my eyelet up really bad, but that's all right. This is going to cover it up. What do I say about crafting? You don't make mistakes. They are unique. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hanging element through here. If I can get it through here where I've kind of messed up there we go. And see, you won't even be able to tell it. And I'm going to do this. See? Can't even tell it. So there's our hanging element. And I love the way these glass cabochons look on here. And I think that I will do, let's see, guys. I had green on there. Let's do, what should we do? What should we do? I wonder if we could do some orange. No. White would probably, think I'm just going to use the green here because the other colors really don't go with the green. So let's just use, So let's just use the green, and I'm going to use my glossy accents to put these down, and I'm going to put them right there. So let's get 2 out. And that's all there is to it, guys. Okay, that looks okay. That looks good. So I hope that you try this project out. It's super fun and super easy. And it took just about 10 minutes. And I was talking. And so this would be truly a cute little office gift or anything to give somebody. So thank you for hanging with me, guys. I truly appreciate it. I truly do. And please go check Beebeecraft out and all their awesome products. And once again, thank you again to Beebeecraft for sending these to me to try out. And I hope each and every one of you will stay safe. I truly appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.